Hello traders, FS here. Today is Thursday, June 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, like I've been saying, it still looks like a big ABC correction right here. If that is a big ABC correction, then that means this move up is a correction to this move down. And if that's the case, it's going to end up making a lower high and continuing the downtrend. But we do have to keep in mind that all the yen pairs still look like they have a long ways to go to the upside, so this very easily could just keep on drifting up. And luckily, I'm going to be looking primarily for longs on shorter time frames, so if it does just keep on drifting up, it definitely is not going to phase us any. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still calling this section right here a 1. I'm still saying that this is possibly an ABC correction like a 2. Even if it is an ABC of 2, I think it's going to go up to at least a 61.8. And if it does end up ending a wave C, then we'll see an impulsive move down. We'll see a break of structure. If it doesn't, and it really does turn out that this is continuing the uptrend, then it'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. We'll never see that break of structure, so we'll still just continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this move down is all one big correction to this move up. I think we're going to go up to at least a 61.8. Then if we're up there and it breaks structure to the downside, that will definitely tell us it's a wave C, and at that point we're going to want to start going short in a downtrend. If it's not a wave C and it does turn out that this is a 1, 2, 3, then it will probably still bounce off this fib level, but instead of breaking structure, it'll just keep making higher highs, higher lows, telling us that we need to just keep on looking for longs in an uptrend. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got a nice impulsive looking trend right there. I still think this right here looks like an ABC of B, and I still think that it needs to go down again for a wave C, at least back to the 61 or the 78% Fibonacci retracement before it actually ends up continuing that uptrend, pushing up to probably about that 61.8 that I showed on the daily time frame. So taking it down even more to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I do think there's a good chance this move down is going to be the continuation of a downtrend for a wave C. I think if anything we see to the upside is just going to be a correction, and I still think it's going to go down more to finish off that ABC pattern, just like I showed on the 4 hour time frame. So I am definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. If I see any three-way patterns to the upside, if I see an impulsive move down, then those are definitely the trades that I'm currently looking for the continuation of what I think is going to be a wave C of a bigger ABC correction on like the 4 hour and daily. But we do have to remember on the daily time frame and up, the trend is definitely still up, and the trend could end up continuing up really at any time. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.